Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to stop your keyboard from waking up your computer when it's in sleep mode. To start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in keyboard. You now need to click on keyboard, and we now need to go across to hardware. Once you are on the hardware tab, you now need to click on properties, and we need to go down to change settings, and we can now go across to power management. And you should now see something that says allow this device to wake the computer, and we can simply just untick this checkbox and press OK and OK again, and now the keyboard will not wake up the computer when it's in sleep mode. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Also, if you have a tutorial you would like me to do, comment below or send me a private message.